Hello and welcome to the Projects in Express course by Eduonix. In this course you'll learn Node.js, Express, and everything in between. So what is ExpressJS? It's an extremely powerful web framework for the Node.js runtime, and it's used for building web applications. So it includes HTTP utilities, middleware for creating APIs, and much more. It's not only the #1 framework for Node, but it's also one of the top downloaded and used modules altogether. So in this packed course, you'll learn all the fundamentals of Node.js and Express. You'll learn how to put together 12 projects from scratch using Express and other various technologies. There's 12 sections and projects in this course, 6 to 10 lectures per section, and 1 to 3 videos per lecture, along with program files for each lecture and a short quiz for each section. So what you should know before taking this course, you should definitely know HTML and CSS. You should know at least the basics of JavaScript and some programming concepts such as variables, loops, objects, arrays, etc. Alright, it's not needed, but it will definitely help if you have experience with NoSQL databases, with the model view controller design pattern, and of course with Node.js. So some featured technologies in this course, of course HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, a little bit of jQuery. We'll work with front-end frameworks like Bootstrap and Foundation, MongoDB, along with some ORMs such as Mongoose, MongoJS, the standard Mongo driver. We'll also work with the CouchDB NoSQL database. We'll be using EJS, Pug, and Handlebars for template engines. We'll use Passport and bcrypt for user authentication, Socket.io and WebSockets. We'll work with the mean stack, which is MongoDB, Express, Angular, and Node. We'll work with Firebase, and we'll also work with the Redis database and cache system. So projects 1 through 6. Project 1 is a basic web server. 2 is a PC repair website. 3 is a to-do app using MongoDB and the Mongo driver. Project 4 is a sports blog using Mongoose and MongoDB. 5 will be a user login app with Passport, and 6 will be a chat application using Socket.io. Project 7 will be a client keeper app. This will be a mean stack application from scratch. Then we'll build a job board with the mean.js generator. A movie base using Kraken, which is an extra layer added over Express to build better MVC type applications. We'll build an Instagram application where we can work with the Instagram API, and then we'll build a biz list, a business listing application using CouchDB, and then finally we'll build a store finder using Redis and Google Geocode. Alright, so a little bit about myself. My name is Brad Traversy. I have around 12 years experience as a web developer, about 4 or 5 years creating and teaching courses like this one. I specialize in JavaScript technologies and PHP server-side development, and I have dozens of courses available at eduonix.com if you're interested. Alright, so that's what we have in store for you. Let's go ahead and get started.